Hello guys, welcome back to my video. And car has been driven for 6,000 kilometers now. So my review of driving a car in 2 months, 6,000 kilometers. So from front to back, I'll explain everything, problems, negatives, pros, cons, and everything about the car. So while talking front design of the car, it look really nice. Rather than in photo, in real life, black color car, it's just so seducing. It look really good. You can see from this angle how sharp the edges are and how clean and cut creases are there. So guys, you can see here, these are Mahindra LED headlights. They are really powerful, but these are waste. They are not powerful, but yeah, they do their job well. These are really powerful lights. They just hamper a few things. They are like okay. They add an aesthetics for the car. If you want really bright lights, please go for aftermarket. They get a bright light setup. So in front you can see these diamond patterns are there. They look really cool. In real life, these patterns will look really cool. One more thing what I liked about this car is like it's got a really big bonnet. For me, SUV, if SUV, they should have a really good bonnet. I will do in this is how we Kannada people will do 1, 2, 3, 4 and this much 4.5. If I do from center, it will come around 5. So guys, this is the biggest my liking of the car because it get a big bonnet. Same thing happens in Fortuner. So it's what big boss of SUV and Scorpio also, they get a big, very long bonnet, which I like. And this cuts and creases are very nice in this car. And second part is like they give normal quality wipers. It's fine for the price they are giving. And this and all accessories, guys. For this I paid extra. I don't know how much I paid, but yeah, this accessories. And request sensor is there. If you press it, car will get locked, automatically it closes. If I press again, get unlocks, and if I arm the car, then this will get open. I should arm the car for them to get open. So this is the cockpit of the car. And also you can see the rear of the car, guys. This is the rear end of the car, and this is how the car looks in the rear. In rear, these are indicators, come brake lights. These are always running DRL thing. This setup is always running DRL setup. So this bulb is there, this is reverse indicator, and this is brake lamp. Everything is there, guys. In EX5 variant, everything you get. Defoggers are there, wiper is there. So guys, car has been driven for 6,000 kilometers for now. So for me, there is no problem in the car. Car is really good. I don't have any DPF issues or nothing. Touch wood, I don't have any such issues. DPF or so this is not there. And grab handles are this, like what do they say for this? These are really looking good. And you can see the diamond pattern in the car. They are this nice aesthetics of the car, guys. So interior is like car has been for 2 months, and you can see we have. We're not good with the car, like we just using the car like normal. We're not thinking it's white or something, but still this white is managing not to protect, not to get dirt. I don't know, this is fresh, it's not, we didn't clean or nothing. Still this is like good. It's not that what to say, that attracted. Maybe it is not getting that much of what, I don't know how to put it in the world. And it's good for daily use also. If you have minimum care, this cabin is fine. Many were commenting white cabin to get dirt. No, see guys, how much dirt we had made. This cabin is fine. If you have minimum basic thing, then this cabin will be fine. And this is how the interior of the car looks. And here also you get a diamond patterns, and the same pattern is in Tata is having some triangle pattern, and Mahindra is doing some diamond patterns. And this will come from base variant itself. And this car comes with 6 speakers. 4 speakers are there and 2 tweeters are there yet. Back there is no tweeters. What else? The negative part about the car is what I felt was first gear is tall, but it's acceptable because this car is having 300 Newton meters of torque, so we cannot complain about that. You can see how good the car looks now. Before it was not proportionate, but now car looks proportionate. And only one disappointment for my car is like I don't know when this got this thing. Mahindra logo has been fell in somewhere. I don't know how this thing has been gone. When, what, I don't know. So that only that problem is there. all four sides they are there. They are only in that tire that does happen. Also, if you talk about the driver side, guys, and you get PU leather thing, and you get all the system controls are there. So if you lock the car, I will make sound now, I will not do. And this is the height adjust of the car. You can see height adjust is there. They look really premium. And one more, the only reason why I bought this car is for gauge. While going for test drive or going for to see the car for showroom, please see the gauge and see the metal quality. They are like Skoda, and I do own a Skoda Slavia. It's as par with Skoda Slavia. The door shut, the hinges, you can see the quality, the shell they used, the moldings. They are kudos to Mahindra. See, this is plastic thing, but inside there is a metal thing to hide that. What to say? To hide the common mistakes and all they had done. They use plastic for thing to protect the aesthetics of the car, to make car look good. And this is an extra effect by Mahindra. Other companies will not give this attention for this thing, but yeah, Mahindra has done this. So guys, the car has been driven around 6,000 kilometers now. I'll show you how many kilometers the car has driven, and this is my true review. The car has been driven for around 5,725 kilometers, almost 6,000 kilometers now. So guys, so far so I don't have any issues. Touchwood, car has been really good. And if you are asking me about DPF issues, and there is no DPF issue as such, nothing is there. So full swipe off will come, and this system will take at 2 to 3 seconds, 10 seconds it will take to come into your life. So when you're starting car for first time, please don't just drive. Wait for the system to come. It will take some 10 seconds or 15 seconds. The system will come to life. Then you can use the system. If you on the car and suddenly if you take further, then the system will the system will not